Consistent ba ka? What are the dreams that you have written when you were younger? Are you still consistent in achieving that dreams? Or you're like now waving and saying, I doubt. I doubt kung mahitabo pa to akong dream sa una. Everything is broken already. I cannot see a future already. I'm so hurt already. And that dream, I don't know kung mahitabo pa na. And now, when doubts come in, when you're questioning to your own self, definitely, katong imong gisulat nga damgo, 50% unta ato tinuod na because you believe in it. Trabahuan na lang nimo ang remaining 50%. But karon because you're doubting, karon because you're hurting, karon because you don't believe in yourself anymore because of what happened na logically tinuod and fact and reality sa imong life, all the more kato siya nga damgo igsoon, dili na to siya mahitabo. Because again, consistency and faithfulness is the key para mahimo kang successful. Mo-hold on ba ka sa imo ang mga damgo? Mo-hold on ba ka sa imo mga saad ni Lord, maskin grabe na kalisod, and wala na ka nakasabot? Because most people would like, dili na ko Lord, would give up or like would be floating. Kana bitang naaka sa floating mode na kung ahan na lang ka dadun sa panahon, go na lang ka. There is no success in that mode. Because consistency would make you stable and move to the direction that you believe God is leading you in spite of the odds. That's hard. That's how hard consistency is. Kabalo ka nga diri ang damgo nimo, diri ang direction ni Lord nimo, and there are a lot of opposition and odds. Yet you continue. Bahalag mo pahulay basta di lang mo give up. Bahalag mo ra kag kanang turtle mag-move, ingana ka kapoy, ingana ka lisod, ingana ka hinay, pero kabalo ka in your heart and mind, you're not giving up sa imo ang damgo. Because most people would shift direction. Dili na ko ani, so I shift ko. I give up sa original na ko nga plan or desire nga kabalo ko gihatag ni Lord for me. One of the things na gusto na ko masabtan sa tanan today, sa lisod nga sitwasyon kang kinsa ka mo laban. Because in life, you have to choose. You cannot just have everyone or be on the side of everyone. Naadyo kay side na imong saidan in life, in business, in career, in friendship. And so many times, kini nga hardship in life, matingala ka, nganong kinahanglan man ako ni agian? Deserve ba nako ni agian ang imong giagian karon? Igsuon sa kasakit nga imong giagian karon. You need to decide. Kinahanglan fixed imong mind, I need to be consistent. I will love God and I will love people. And I am a disciple of Jesus Christ. This is who I am. I am a child of God. And maskin unsa kapait imong agian, kinahanglan consistent ka na. Kay kana siya nga character or kana siya nga pagkaikaw, mo flow ang tanan nga decision nimo. Because you love God and you will love people. You will love yourself first. Kay unsa may ikahatag nimo nga gugma sa uban kung di nimo higugmaon imong self first. Amen? Usahay grabe kay ta mo hatag dinahurot na ta. And matingala ka, wala nagyugkoy mahatag. Sige, puno na kay ka. Why? Because nalimot ka, na dili ka kahatag og something nga wala ka. So for you to love others, you need to learn to love yourself first.